Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with another unboxing. What we have for this video, it is the Ipsy Glam bag plus, yes, plus, for the month of February. And for those of you that don't know about this box here, it is $25 a month. You are set to get 5 to 6 full-size items and it is said to be worth at least $120. And oh, what you also get with this one, it is a cosmetic bag. The cosmetic bags change from month to month. So the ones that I already saw, the one for the Ipsy Glam bag, and I thought it was like really cute. So let's see what this one looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in. We have our pamphlet here that gives us the product information along with the retail prices. Yes, I was gonna say, I always want to say full size, but the retail prices for the items in here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that aside, and I'm going to just start taking them all out. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one. We almost dropped it. From Lovecraft Beauty, and it is a blush palette. That is what that looks like there. It does come in a sleeve, but the inside looks just exactly as the sleeve does. Now let's see the colors that are inside. Okay, so these are the colors that we have inside. We do get a mirror down here. So these are actually nice colors. I like them because they're not like super pink. They are a little bit muted. This one can actually almost pass by for the people with a lighter complexion. This might actually even work as a bronzer kind of color. But both of these are really nice colors. They're not super duper pink. Let me just show you guys really quick what they look like on my fingers. So these are the three. This is this one here. This is obviously the center one, and then this one is the one here on this side. They're really light. They are super duper soft, so I can just imagine they will how they'll go on pretty nice. Just a quick swatch there. They are lighter colors, but it looks like you can build them up and they'll blend out really nice because they're super duper soft. So that is our first item for this box. Up next, I'm going to grab this one. Oh, okay, so this is from Il Maquillage. I think that's how you pronounce it. That is the box there. I see their ads on Instagram all the time for their foundation. And I'm actually very intrigued by the commercials or ads that they post. They seem like they might be actually good. So I don't know, their ads on the Instagram are working for me, but I'm still kind of thinking about it, just because you do have to purchase it online, and I hate purchasing foundation online because you never know what it's gonna look like on your skin once it gets to you. But what we have here, it is an eyeliner. It is in the color black. That is what the tip looks like. It is a felt tip eyeliner. And let's see. That is very black. That is it there. It looks like it dries down matte. Maybe not completely matte. It does have a little bit of a shine to it. But it looks really nice. And another thing that I like just off the bat is that it's not bleeding out to my little lines on my hand. So it actually went on really nice. Can't wait to actually try this one and just kind of get started trying out the brand itself. Up next, I'm going to grab this one here, and it is from Murad. It is the Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. Especially here in LA, on a nice sunny day, you can see all of the pollution on the air. You can see a grayish, brownish cast of all the smog, all of the bad stuff up and over in the horizon, which cannot be good for your skin, for your body, for anything. But that's the price that you have to pay living here in LA. But now we have Murad here, just giving us a little bit of help. So this one I'm excited to try out because it does have the SPF along with the Essential C. I'm assuming it has some type of vitamin C. So I'm really excited to try this one out. that is our third item. Up next, I'm going to grab this one. I heard that this was going to be in the box. It is from Dominique Cosmetics, and this is the I think it was called like the sweater or something. It doesn't say it on here. It might say it in the little pamphlet, but this is really nice. This is actually textured, so all of the little bumps and ridges from the sweater, because it is a knitted sweater, you can actually feel them. It's pretty cool. But let's see what the colors look like inside. Oh, that's pretty. They're nice and soft, neutral. They are on the, I would like to say, on the cooler side, the cool tone side. But they're really, really pretty. Let me get some quick swatches. So I'm going to grab this one here. Put it there. Ooh, a little bit patchy. Let me try it again. Yeah, this one's a little bit patchy. I'm going to go ahead and grab this one next. It is a really nice color. That one's pretty. Not much better than the other one. I'm going to grab this pinkish one here. And let's see. That one is better than the other two. And then just one more. I'm going to grab this grayish tone one in the very corner. And yeah, I mean, they do feel powdery. So they're not, just sliding on my skin. But of course, with eyeshadows and with everything else, they always go on a lot different once you put them on your face. So I want to try these out on my eyes once I have primer and everything, so I can see how they go on and blend out. Because you never know. You're better off just trying them before, you just kind of judge off of the swatches. We are down to the very last item from the box, and it is here. Looks actually really nice. It is from La Ruse. I think that's how you pronounce it. It just says vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and synthetic. I'm assuming they are brushes with that. This is really nice packaging. How are you supposed to open it, though? I think that's how you do it. I was correct. They are brushes. And, ooh, okay, so these actually make the set with the brush that I got on my Ipsy Glam. Yes, on my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of February. I should hopefully already have that video up, but if not, spoiler alert, I get a brush in that bag. But this is what it looks like. They have the same pattern here on the barrel. And they're really, really soft. So I'm actually excited because brushes are expensive. And we have a whole set here. We have a flat foundation brush, an angle contour brush. We also have some for the eyes. We have a tapered blending brush. That is what the bristles look like. Then we have a kabuki. This one here. I think this one would be good for your crease. So that one, and then we have a shadow, that one there. And the very last thing that we are left with in our box, is our bag. This is the cosmetic bag that we have for this month. And this one does not look like the one we got on the other one. This one is like a leather or leatherette feel. It has a leatherette feel to it, and it does have the same burgundy inside. But this one's actually still really, really cute. Those were all the items from the box. Now let me give you guys quick retail prices for the items. Cindy's never ready. She knows it's coming, but she's never ready. Now she's ready. Wait, there's nothing in here. They cheated me. I don't know what happened. I thought this was a regular pamphlet like we normally get with the product information, but we don't have it. Oh, you know what? When this box actually got delivered to my parents' house, because that's where I get all my packages, when it got delivered, my mom sent me a picture that the tape was actually opened. I was afraid that some of the products might have fallen out, but after taking them all out, it doesn't seem like I lost any of the products. But I'm thinking that I maybe lost the sheet that gives me the product information because I don't see it here. I will go ahead and go on the Ipsy app because I can see the products on there too. See if I can maybe get a digital card of, you know, the one that I normally get, so I can get the retail prices off of that. So I will go ahead and put them in here. So I can't give you the value now, but I'll go ahead and enter it as I edit. But I thought we got some really cute things. This one didn't swatch very well, but I'm excited to try it over on my eyes. This one I think is really, really good. Murad is a really good company. They have really good products. And the brushes, like I mentioned, the brushes are expensive. So we got a whole set here. That is all for this video. I'm kind of disappointed I couldn't give you guys a price now, but you probably already saw it on the screen because I entered it on my editing time. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. That is all for me for today. I hope I will see you guys back here next time. Bye.